Hello everyone, I'm Sahun. I'm greeting from National Foreign Employment Association. So our company is in location is Takanda Station. In this video today I explain to our company's in job fair event. We have a everyday job fair event in job interview. Monday, Wednesday, Friday it is 11 a.m. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday it is 2 p.m. So if you visit in our company's job fair event, you can get the yellow tick. It is to challenge the job interview. And then if during that day, if you have a job interview, you have in blue tick. It is in for lunch in our company's in first floor. So if you want to know more information, please contact in our office 0362068058. Okay, so for now I explained one of the job offer. That company's location is in Saitama. In this time that company wants to 7 people, and then that company's branch is in Thailand and Malaysia and Vietnam and Bangladesh, one of the big company. And then bonus is possible in 1 year in 3 times, and to speak Japanese level is in daily conversation is possible. So if you challenge that company's job interview and then in other companies, please visit our company's job fair event. Okay, so thanks for watching. Good luck for you.